no, he's going to do it. No. Okay, so the fans are on. He's throwing lots of sheets into the door there. He's looking quite stressed, but he looks focused. It looks quite hot in there, I think. It must be quite hard. The timing is running out. Is he going to get it all? I don't see it in there. I think he might be a winner. Third winner in a row. That's exciting. Time is over. Let's get the official announcement.
Oh yeah, he's a winner already.
No. Sad face. Are you sad?
Face?
Very sad.
Oh. He's standing on it, ladies and gentlemen. Unfortunately, Nico did not win the Q10. I'm sorry, Nico. How do you feel?
Absolutely good. Just so happy.
Oh, that's nice. What do you think went wrong in there?
Something with the balls and all, so I tried to see it. I can see it actually past my face.
It's just a whirlwind in there, isn't it? It's quite hard.
Yeah, it's quite hard.
Well, congratulations.